Hello, to schedule messages on your Samsung Galaxy A06, you go into your Messages app first, then you choose to which number you'd like to send your message, and you press the plus icon and go into schedule message. Here you can choose on which day and which hour your message should have been sent. You can also set the option set schedule later, and when you press done, you have the information about when the message will be sent. You type anything actually you want to send and you send. And as you press this clock icon, you have the notification that this message will be sent at the particular day you want to. You can either delete it, edit the message, or you can also send it now if you'd like to. That's it. Thank you and please subscribe.